Okay, number 2. Okay, we're going to subtract 3/8 minus 2/3. Okay, try to do this as much on your own as you can. Pause the video when you're doing work and then check your work. Unpause it and then check your work. Okay, so you first want to write both numbers as fractions. Okay, that's already done because those are fractions. So you want to think about the least common denominator next. Okay, pause the video and then find the least common denominator and then write both fractions with the least common denominator. Okay, and after you do that, unpause the video and check. Okay, so to find the least common denominator, you could count by 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, ... You could count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay, we got to 24 in both lists. 24 is the least common denominator. And now we need to come up with the least common denominator in both of our fractions. Okay, we have the 3/8, we have the 2/3. Remember, pause the video so you can do this on your own first. Okay, 8, to get from 8 to 24, you multiply by 3. So you need to multiply the top by 3. Okay, when you're working with 2/3, to get from 3 to 24, you have to multiply by 8. So you have to multiply the top by 8. Okay, so now we can actually do the multiplication. See, 3 times 3 over 8 times 3. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, so we get 9 over 24. Okay, minus, I already typed that out for you. Okay, 2 times 8 over 3 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, so you should have 9 over 24 minus 16 over 24. Okay, now go ahead, subtract the tops, keep the bottom, and then if it was me, you don't have to do that middle step, but I would same change opposite, the subtraction in the middle for the middle part, and then simplify what you have. So pause the video. Once you've done it, unpause the video. Okay, so when you write the subtraction problem, okay, you should be looking at 9 minus 16 over 24. So I'm going to type in 9 minus 16 over 24. Okay, I think it would help you guys if you change that to an addition problem because it's a little bit messy. It's not a bigger positive minus a smaller positive. So I would same change opposite that. Keep the 9 the same. Change subtract to add. And then the opposite of a positive 16 is a negative 16. So we have 9 plus negative 16 over 24. Okay, if you add 9 plus negative 16, okay, you're adding a positive to a negative. Okay, different signs. So you subtract and keep the bigger sign. Okay, 16 minus 9 is 7. The bigger number is negative. So negative 7 over 24. Okay, so that's one way to write the answer. Go ahead and write down the other way to write down that answer. 7 over 24 is reduced. Okay, so you don't have to worry about reducing. And it's not improper because the top number is smaller than the bottom. Okay, but go ahead and write the other way that we could write this answer as. Okay, we could take that negative and put it out front. So negative 7 over 24 is the same thing as negative 7 over 24. Hey guys, keep me posted if you have questions on this.